341 species in genus Teucrium. Teucrium, a gardener's appreciation. My name is Vu, and I'm an avid gardener with a particular fondness for the genus Teucrium. These plants, commonly known as germanders, have captivated me with their resilience, versatility, and understated beauty. They're not the flashiest blooms in the garden, but their subtle charm and adaptability have earned them a special place in my heart, and hopefully in yours too. Understanding the Teucrium genus. Teucrium belongs to the Lamiaceae family, a group that includes many aromatic herbs like mint, sage, and rosemary. What sets Teucrium apart are their unique flowers. They lack an upper lip, giving them a distinctive appearance. Imagine a tiny orchid, with its petals arranged in a delicate, almost whimsical fashion. That's the essence of a Teucrium flower. These plants are remarkably tough. They thrive in dry, sunny conditions, making them perfect for xeriscaping or rock gardens. They're also relatively pest and disease-free, which is a huge bonus for any gardener. But it's not just their practicality that appeals to me, it's their quiet elegance. The foliage of Teucrium is often aromatic, ranging from minty to fruity scents depending on the species. The leaves themselves are typically small and slightly fuzzy, creating a soft, textured effect. And then there are the flowers. They come in a range of colors, from the softest pinks and whites to vibrant purples and blues. They may be small, but they bloom profusely, creating a haze of color that attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. A diverse family. The Teucrium genus is surprisingly diverse, with over 300 species scattered across the globe. See full list at monsteraholic.com. My experience with Teucrium. I first encountered Teucrium while visiting a botanical garden. I was immediately drawn to a Teucrium frutescens hedge, its silvery foliage shimmering in the sunlight. I was captivated by its understated beauty and decided to try growing it myself. Since then, I've experimented with several Teucrium species, incorporating them into my borders, rock gardens, and even containers. I've found them to be incredibly low maintenance and remarkably resilient. They've survived scorching summers and unexpected frosts, always bouncing back with renewed vigor. One of my favorite things about Teucrium is their ability to attract pollinators. My garden is always abuzz with bees and butterflies when the germanders are in bloom. It's a joy to watch these creatures flitting from flower to flower, collecting nectar and spreading pollen. Why I recommend Teucrium. If you're looking for a plant that is both beautiful and practical, I highly recommend giving Teucrium a try. They're perfect for busy gardeners who want a low-maintenance yet attractive addition to their landscape. Here are just a few reasons why I think you'll love Teucrium. Drought tolerance. They thrive in dry conditions, making them ideal for water-wise gardening. Pest and disease resistance. They're relatively trouble-free, requiring minimal intervention. Attractive foliage. Their leaves offer interesting textures and sometimes delightful aromas. Beautiful blooms. Their unique flowers add a touch of understated elegance to the garden. Pollinator-friendly. They attract beneficial insects, contributing to a healthy ecosystem. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, Teucrium is a genus worth exploring. Their versatility, resilience, and understated beauty make them a valuable asset to any garden. I encourage you to discover the charm of these remarkable plants for yourself.